We had a very successful ceiling microphone with our TeamConnect Ceiling 2 for the large meeting rooms, and now we want to expand our family to go into the medium rooms, and that we are doing with our TeamConnect Ceiling Medium. Main difference between these two guys is TeamConnect Ceiling for the big rooms covering 80 square meters. The TCC M or TeamConnect Ceiling Medium is covering 40 square meters. So made for the middle room, also price-wise, go a bit down. So if there's budget constraint with TeamConnect Ceiling 2, TeamConnect Ceiling Medium is the answer. But for sure, all the great benefits we are offering with TeamConnect Ceiling 2 are also valid for TeamConnect Ceiling Medium. We have Control Cockpit as the software to control the ceiling microphone. You can set up priority zones, exclusion zones, camera tracking, and get out the positions for the camera tracking system. All this is remaining. But very cool is the design. We changed from rectangular to a round design, which makes it more convenient, especially in suspension usage. It's made for meeting rooms, so you need the AT guy to get it into the room, but our goal is to make it as easy as possible for anyone who is using the microphone. So with the TeamConnect Ceiling Medium, we are offering network connections with 2 network ports, and you can run 1 network cable, PoE, control, and Dante. And the second port can be used as a daisy chain output. And for the first time in our ceiling microphone portfolio, it is possible also to daisy chain the PoE. So very convenient. Maybe also if you have a split room, you can set up 2 TCC M in the 2 rooms with 1 network line. So that's really cool and easy to integrate even for IT guys. And the rest is done by our patent beamforming. So nothing to worry about. Personally, I really impressed of the audio. Yes, I'm an audio guy. I'm used to have it on live stages as well with musicians and things like that. But looking on clean tables and the flexibility of the ceiling microphone, this is made to capture the speech, and this is really impressive how good this works, especially with the moving beam and getting the tone of everybody in the room. That's really impressive.